Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm very warm welcome. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Amalia and my team member Diana Suteja, Rinda Febriana, Ani Yuniarti, Sugeng Suteja, Leni Puspitasari, and Sofyan Sauri. I'm from Universitas Airlangga, Indonesia. I'm absolutely delighted to be here to share our insight on a governance-driven approach to HRIS implementation. We call SIMADAM as a model for fraud risk management in Perumda Kayangan Jember. I hope that by the end of this session, we will all live with a deeper understanding of HRIS and feel inspired to create new opportunities together. Ladies and gentlemen, we know this journey is not easy. We often face vulnerabilities inherent in manual processes, prone to errors, data inaccuracies, and misuse. Imagine, even large entitles like Perumda, Perkebunan Kayangan Jember, still rely on Microsoft Excel for crucial HR data. This is not just about efficiency, it is a security gap inviting fraud, data manipulations, and reputational risks. This is why, as with colleagues, we must embrace digital innovations. This is time to transition from manual to an era where human resource information system or HRIS from the backbone of our HR management. HRIS is pivotal for three reasons. First, it ensures data integrity and accuracy through integrated security features like encryptions and access control. Second, it drives unparalleled operational efficiency, freeing our HR teams to focus on strategic initiatives by automating tasks and providing real-time monitoring. Third, and crucially, HRIS significantly aids in fraud mitigations, enabling early detection and rapid response to suspicious activities. The World Bank's 2018 data ranking Indonesia 87th in the Human Capital Index underscores the urgent needs for structures, technology-enabled HR system. Implementing HRIS a strategic response to the growing demands for transparency, efficiency, and risk mitigations. This is our introductions for our research. Problem background. Perumda Perkebunan Kayangan Jember still uses Microsoft Excel to manage HR data. Manual HR management can lead to vulnerabilities such as human errors, lack of synchronization, and the risk of data breaches. Humans have inherent limitations in maintaining consistency, accuracy, and security when managing data manually. Different HR staff or manager may keep separate copies of employee records. Updates like promotions, leave balances, or resignations may only be applied to the one file, leaving others outdated. The system like encryption, access control, and audit trails, sensitive employee information can be leaked, stolen, or manipulated, endangering both employees' privacy and the company governance credibility. Data collections, consolidations, and analysis are manual and fragmented. Without real-time dashboard and automated analytical such as HRIS, Perumda Kayangan risks making late, reactive, and less accurate decisions. Ladies and gentlemen, human resource management is the cornerstone of organizational success. Is it not just about recruiting and training, but how we manage employees to maximize performance and achieve organization goals? However, amidst this dynamic, we also face serious fraud risks. The ACFE 2020 even states that financial losses due to workplace fraud can amount to 5% of revenue. This can severely damage reputation and trust. Therefore, fraud risk mitigation is crucial. A combination of prevention, detection, and swift response is the best strategy. It's essential for HR department to have a transparent system supported by honest leaders, employee education, and efficient digital system. This is why the Human Resource Information System is so relevant. HRIS facilitates employee data management, enables data-driven decision-making, reduces manual work, enhances data service security, and minimizes the potential for fraud and human errors. This research, conducted at Perumda Perkebunan Kayangan Jember, explored the effectiveness of Simadam, a web-based HRIS, in mitigating fraud risk and securing employees' data. Adopting a qualitative case study approach within an interpretive paradigm, the study utilized a triangulation method for data collection, combining semi-structured interviews with 8 participant observation of HR operation, and document analysis of policy and audit logs. Data analysis rigorously followed thematic content analysis based on Broad and Clark with 5 FAST framework to identify recurring patterns and relationships, ensuring analytical depth and contextual understanding. This methodology aims to provide in-depth insight into the system, role in fraud mitigation, and data security. We can see a demonstration of Simadam in your screen. Perumda Kayangan have 2,100 employees. Therefore, data input errors can significantly impact the company finances. Therefore, our team created Simadam to address this issue. This research highlights the significant positive impact of web-based HRIS system we call Simadam at Perumda Kayangan, aligning with technological determinism view of HR management. Key benefit of Simadam in HRIS: first, improve data accuracy and transparency. It replaces error-prone manual processes, ensuring reliable employee data and reducing opportunities for fraud. Second, enhance operational efficiency. Automated tasks like attendance via fingerprint scanning, payroll processing, and performance appraisal, saving up to 40% of HR work time. Third, strengthen internal control, reduce procedural irregularities, and foster workflow discipline. And the last, empowered employees. The self-service portal allows employees to manage leave, download payslip, and access HR regulation independently, reducing HR burden and increasing employee satisfaction. The last but not least, for strategy HR focus, enable HR to shift for administrative tasks to more strategic area like employee development. In essence, Simadam transformed HR at Perumda Kayangan into a more efficient, accurate, and strategically focused function, benefiting both employees and the organization. Implication: first, HRIS can reform public enterprises by reducing fraud risk. Second, encourage scalable, secure HRIS infrastructure. For future research, cross-sectoral application, integration with a government platform, longitudinal studies to measure cultural and governance impacts. Let's leverage technology to build higher quality, competitive, and integral human resources. Let's create a future where HR management is not just efficient, but empowering and innovative. Thank you for your valuable time and attention. I am now open to any questions you may have.